Bitcoin surging, trading at its highest level in more than 3 months. Our Kate Rooney is tracking all of those moves. Kate.
Hey, David. Good morning. Bitcoin hasn't seen that $50,000 price tag since about mid-May. It is still above that level this morning, continuing a rebound that really started at the end of July. Analysts have pointed to the $50,000 mark as a key psychological and resistance level. It is still off the highs, though, of more than 60,000 back in April. Other major digital coins this morning are also higher, coming off the weekend. Ether, the second largest, is above 3,300 this morning as well. And as far as what's driving it, guys, the rally started overnight in Asia, and there have been a couple of bullish announcements in recent days that appear to be helping prices here. First, Coinbase saying that it would add another $500 million in crypto to its balance sheet. It's also allocating about 10% of profits to a crypto assets portfolio as well. And we had PayPal announcing it plans to expand a service that lets people buy and sell cryptocurrencies to the United Kingdom. It now has that in the U.S. It's expanding abroad. And the value of the entire cryptocurrency market cap is now back above $2 trillion. It's around $2.2 trillion as of this morning. Guys, we also have some new data from our CNBC survey out this morning showing that new investors are significantly more bullish when it comes to cryptocurrencies. This is according to a new Invest in You Next Gen survey. It was conducted by CNBC and Momentive. New American investors, so those who got into the markets in 2020 or later, are more than twice as likely to own cryptocurrencies. That's compared to more experienced investors. And more than a third of that group believes that Bitcoin prices will go higher into the end of this year, compared to about a quarter of the larger investing base. Guys, back to you.
Always the optimists there. Kate, quick question for you. There was a journal piece over the weekend talking about the great mining migration, with a lot of the miners leaving China as a result of some recent regulatory crackdown there. How is that impacting the supply of Bitcoin in particular? Is that kind of changing the pricing dynamic as well?
It has changed the price dynamic. We saw that kind of start a couple of months ago, and we've had miners migrate to states like Texas and Wyoming, where we've done some reporting. But it does change the level of difficulty that it takes to mine a Bitcoin. So in terms of prices, the Bitcoin miners, it doesn't change the Bitcoin price much. It changes more the economics for the Bitcoin mining companies. So it's more lucrative to mine Bitcoin, but analysts tell me that it doesn't have as much of an effect on the day-to-day prices. So, but those miners, though, benefiting from less demand and less competition when it comes to Bitcoin mining.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.